this is me for my own documentation purposes. 2 years after the worst breakup of my entire life, lost everything, had to start over from scratch. Like, was living in wasn't even my car because I didn't have one because I lost it. Was living in my mom's car in front of my brother's home for about a year and a half. And I really wanted to, I'm like pacing because I'm just so nervous. I don't even know why I'm nervous. But anyways, I've been wanting to do this video about to really just track my journey to healing and becoming more of the woman that that I felt that I lost, but also more of the woman that I want to become, and looking for a place where I fit in this world to be able to be accountable without bashing the person that, made me feel a certain way, but also knowing that I still am like not 100% over it. I really wanted to make a video to kind of, for me, introduce myself, like thinking long after this is over, but just kind of introducing myself to me, watching myself heal through this journey, and kind of make I don't know, verbal or online dialogue. What am I saying? I don't know. Just kind of give myself validation for what I feel, and knowing that, life can be messy sometimes, but in the chaos, sometimes you find good things, and you learn to see yourself in a new perception. And for instance, like, I used to be really into how I look, and now this is thankfully I work from home, but this is my daily, like, I feel like I look exactly how I feel, and just exploring the options or ideas that I can still love who I am, even though I don't love where I am. And I just wanted to share certain truths that I encountered about myself while, doing the work, being accountable for my actions, and not just like in the disastrous ending of that relationship, but in the choices that even got me to a point where I was losing everything, and not behind a man, because I don't even look at it like that, but behind my inability to acknowledge the things that I chose to ignore. But one of the things that I was thinking about tonight, I'm just like, well, I felt throughout these last 2 years, I felt very lonely. I've lost a lot of friends. I've lost a lot of people that I thought were like pillars in my community. But I started to realize like the hard truths about myself, and one of them was that, like, I actually have a hard time with the vulnerability of my own feelings to myself. I have a tendency to make a mockery of how I feel, to kind of take away the pain or the sting of it. And in turn of me not respecting my own feelings or laughing when I feel sorrow, I think that I've given way to have that energy reciprocated to me through other people. And so in my greatest need, and what felt like when I was like down on my knees, I didn't have a community of people who seen me and recognized that before I needed to be told what I should do, I just needed a hug. Because I think that because I didn't recognize my own feelings, I was trying to act like I was okay in a moment where I was not well. It made me see the people that I went to for help, and I seen like, and it wasn't even me that seen, because a lot of them stopped talking to me. It was like right when I had that acknowledgement, like, wow, you're like, I've never asked these people for anything. In the past, I've never asked them for help. But in the moment where I've lost everything, I'm homeless now. I don't even have a way to like to do anything. And it was just like, I remember them telling me like I need a job, but it's, reality check is you can't get a job if you don't have a place to live. You have to have a shower. It's a mindset. But I realized that from my own negligence and deficiencies as a person accountable for the people that I have around me and accountable for my own boundaries, I didn't set myself up for success. Even in my own downfall, like, it didn't have to be as disastrous as it was, but because I didn't make the right choices in relation to myself and me just having a relationship with myself, one where I don't have to feel, I don't mock myself for being who I am, because that's the kind of the tone that it was in my house. We made fun of our feelings. When things happen, we joked about it. And sometimes instead of acknowledging the pain, we'll make fun of it, and it kind of created a ripple effect. And the way that I'm able to perceive my own emotions, and it mirrors and reflects in the people that I chose around me. And so I know that this was me being long-winded. This video will probably never make traction, but I just wanted to start this document. I just wanted to document this, almost like a rite of passage, and then just for other women who are younger than me, or just might not have had that experience yet, or may never have that experience. But I just kind of wanted to make space for myself, and I kind of just see if there's other people out there who have come to an idea of their own, to come to the understanding of their own evolution. What makes you, just taking accountability for the things that we could actually do better and work better toward. Yeah, I've really wanted to make this video a long time, and I wish I should next time. I want to be more thought out about what I'm saying. But yeah, I hope you guys follow me on this healing journey. And I hope I can inspire other people, to do the same.